Now recently Divi introduced canvases in Divi 5, and these are workspaces that are detached from your main page in Divi Visual Builder. But you can also use canvases to stage updates, keep off canvas elements tidy, and a lot more. And in this video, we are going to take a look at how we can use these canvases to stage website design or A/B testing your website design all inside Divi Visual Builder. So let's dive in. Now, if you want to follow along and if you want to deep dive in this topic, then we have created a complete blog post where you can find everything step by step. So we are going to link that blog post in the video description below. Now, if you open any page inside Divi 5 Visual Builder, you can see your canvases here on the top left corner. Here is this grid view. If we click on this, you will be able to see all the local as well as the global canvases here. And you can also go ahead and create a new canvas if you want. But in order to stage your page, to make changes and see which one you want to move ahead with, all you have to do is just duplicate your main canvas. So let's say we want to make some changes in this hero section of this page and see which one we want to go ahead with. So all we need to do is just go to our grid view and then click on these three dots and click on duplicate canvases. So if we click on this, here we have our main canvas, and now we also have a copy of our main canvas. So you can go ahead and again click on these three dots and click on canvas settings and rename it to something that you can easily remember. Let's say main canvas winter. So if in case you are doing some winter campaign, you can test it out with this. So let's click on save. And now we have a copy of our original canvas. So we can just go ahead and click on this, make any change as we want. So let's say for this hero section, maybe you want to test out some different background image. So you can click on this and then go to background. And for the image, we can go ahead and replace it. So maybe something like this or any image from your computer. So just like that, we have replaced our image. And now if we go ahead and save this, it's going to save only this canvas. Now, because we have copied the entire page layout as our canvas, we have two different looks for our page. So if we come back again in our grid view, this is our old canvas, the main one, and this one we have just created. So if we come back here, we have a completely different look for this hero section. So maybe you can click on preview to check it in the front end for this one, which is live. And for the one which you are testing, you can check that in the Visual Builder itself so that it's easy for you to compare which one you want to go with. And why stop with one? You can go ahead and create multiple variations of your design using different canvases and then open the grid view to see all your design in one place. So you can have a bird's eye view on different layouts and then you can go ahead with the best one. So now in order to make changes or test changes on your website, you don't have to put up your website on maintenance mode or create a full-fledged staging website. You can do all of that inside Divi 5 Visual Builder. So in the comment section below, do let us know what you're going to test with canvases. And once again, make sure you check out the link for the blog post in the video description below for step-by-step tutorial and more details. And if you like this video, then make sure you share it with your friends and community. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.